Norway's defense shift air defenses over Leopard tanks. Norway has decided to prioritize air defense and long-range fire capabilities over acquiring additional Leopard 2A8 main battle tanks. Lars Lervik, the Chief of Staff of the Norwegian Army, confirmed the nation's decision during an interview. An existing contract for 54 tanks with Krauss-Maffei Wegmann, KMV, remains, aligning with NATO requirements and Norway's wartime plans. Deliveries of these new Leopard tanks are anticipated to wrap up by mid-2027. Europe is facing an ammunition shortage, partly due to supplies being directed to Ukraine amidst the ongoing conflict. The current Ukrainian war has emphasized the importance of sustained combat, leading to Norway's re-evaluation of its defense needs. While Norway has been generous in its military aid to Ukraine, the financial aspect has sparked debates, especially given Norway's natural gas profits. Lervik mentions a 5-year plan supporting both military and civilian aid to Ukraine. With Sweden's prospective NATO membership, enhanced Nordic military cooperation is on the horizon. The addition of Finland and potentially Sweden to NATO could significantly bolster tactical collaborations in the region. Norway, Finland and Sweden are set to participate in the Nordic response training exercise next year. Lervik's main objective during the AUSA Expo includes engaging with industry experts on counter-UAS systems and their integration into layered air defense. The Norwegian Army is also eager to expedite a long-range fires tender and possibly invest in additional K9 self-propelled howitzers and K10 ammunition resupply vehicles. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones and military, don't forget to subscribe.